Sometimes it's just best to...
You're proud, Papa?
Oh, yes, I am.
You're so cute.
Good afternoon and good night. Hey, why am I so pumped this morning? I don't know. That's maybe because I woke up and I'm giving thanks. I have birth and I have my beautiful baby back here and I have my beautiful husband beside me here. We are out and about as per usual. We're on the road today. You guys, look how cute Tyler is. He's bouncing his hat this morning. You sucking on that pussy and spit stroking you, huh? Look how cute he is. His grandma, my mommy, bought him this hat when we went to Texas last year, and Tyler is completely in love with this hat. He loves to put it on just randomly in the house, and he took it up just now when we were leaving and put it on his head, and he dare not take off his hat. Okay, so he's bouncing his hat this morning, which is super cute. We are on the road. We're going to do a bunch of stuff today. I'm actually heading to a sports store because I need to get some things that I have in mind that I think I need. So baby's laughing at me because I always need something. And I think I need to help me enhance my my workout. So I'm going to the sports store right now, and then we're gonna go to the supermarket, and then after the supermarket I should be heading to town because I think I also need some stuff in town. Okay, so it should be a good day. Oh, it's Saturday, so you know I didn't work out today. But it's a brand new day tomorrow, so let's see what tomorrow holds. But regardless, make sure you guys get your workout in. Stay pumped, stay encouraged, stay motivated, get your workout done, and make today a good day. Oh, the Jamaican expression for today. What should be the Jamaican expression for today? What it should be?
I said
I don't hear you. Say bubble girl. Okay, you guys. No. This one is funny. Babe says the Jamaican expression for today is bubble gala bubble. Bubble gala bubble. This is something that you will hear if you're a party kind of person or you listen to Jamaican dancehall music. Bubble gala bubble means you're to dance. You're to do some kind of whining motion with your hips. Okay? So if somebody said to you, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, mean you're to dance or you're dancing. Right? So I wasn't thinking along that line, and I wasn't thinking to give you guys that one, but there's so many Jamaican talks, there's so many Jamaican expressions, so we cannot run out of expressions. So don't worry, there you have it. Well, babe vocabulary is running short, but you cannot run out of Jamaican expression when you come on to me, okay, because I'm a Jamaican. So don't worry, there's ton more expression to come. So today expression is bubble gala bubble. There you have it from babe. Babe, say it.
Bubble gala bubble.
Say it.
Say bubble gala bubble.
Yes. It's a bubble gala bubble. Oh my god, this is so funny. As usual, feeling motivated as usual, with a big smile on our face. Stay happy, be good, and if you can't be good, be careful, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. Let go. I need one of these, but I wanted to feel a single one, but none of them is separated from the, only the 2 kg separated. I wanted to feel one of the 3 kg. Can you take up one of these for me? All of them is double.
Well, it doesn't look bad after it's you the way you feel.
It's alright. So I think I finally found what I came for. Come on, let's go. I think I finally found what I came for. I wanted a long bar and a small dumbbell, and I finally got it. That's the one that babe have in his hand, so that should be able to help. So you know the workout is turn up. Muscle building time. Get lean. I can't be just running and losing and not tightening up the muscles. So yeah, this should do. It's cost about 50 euros, so that should be super good. And we have a little helper, and of course our little helper, we took our eyes off the supermarket bag for 2 seconds, and he picked up the egg tray and half of the eggs fall out and break. So that's okay. He loves to help. He'll take everything out of the supermarket bag and give to you one by one. That's just how he is. And I don't want to tell him no because he's learning, so. Come, baby. Come, let him carry him. Come, give him. Let him carry him.
Mama.
Thank you. Thank you, baby. Such a sweet boy. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Good job. You're a good boy. It's such a beautiful day outside. It is super sunny. It is super pretty outside. We didn't even need jackets. It feels so good. I'm so excited for spring to just come already. If it already feels this good, I can just imagine what spring is gonna feel like and what summer is gonna feel like.
We live close to the
Are you
sea.
hiding?
I'm not hiding. We live close to the sea, so the good thing about here is that it's not too cold in winter and it's not too hot in summer because you feel a little breeze from the sea.
Right.
So it's gonna be okay. There's more all of the tourists and all of that.
But I'm not worried about that. I'm just talking about the climate, how good it's gonna feel. It feels really good. Tyler has been outside playing all morning. Go at the supermarket and we didn't even need jacket with this stuff that I'm in, so that's really good. Tyler didn't even need jacket. Yes, baby, it is snack time. You're gonna have a bottle, okay? So I'm about to give Tyler a bottle. And I don't think I'm going to town again today until in the week because it's already... Honey, can you carry Tyler a bottle? Come, please.
You're proud, Papa?
Oh, yes, I am.
You're so cute. I love seeing you like this because I know you miss out so much in the week. So I really love seeing you like this. It melts my heart so much. My babies.
So Tyler is having snack right now over there with Papa, and I think I'm going to go and make an omelette with all those eggs that he just broke. Or you want to wait until dinner?
No, you can do it.
You want it now?
No, you can.
Oh, I can do it dinner? So I'm going to have to find something to do with those eggs because I won't throw them away. I won't let them spoil. So we're just going to relax and stick around for the rest of the afternoon and see what's up. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. You want to sleep? Look at your eyes. You're tired. Tired? Eyes? Yeah, eyes. Give Papa kisses. Say bye-bye to the camera. Oh, you're such a sweet boy. So while Tyler was showing us all the love and being all lovey-dovey as usual, the camera battery died, so he's now off to bed. We spent most of our afternoon just chit-chatting with family members and playing with Tyler, and Babe played game and stuff. So we didn't really do much afternoon like we had planned, but sometimes it's just best to retreat from what you plan on doing and just enjoy the day as it goes by. That's it for today's vlog. Hopefully you guys catch up with today's Jamaican expression. Hopefully you guys catch up with today's Jamaican expression. What was it, babe? So there you guys have the Jamaican expression another time. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. If you can't be good, then be careful. Bye guys.
Bye.